Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Ragnar Beauty again. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to achieve a natural makeup with minimal product. Without any further ado, please let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do after moisturizing my face, I've moisturized my face. So the first product I'm going to be applying right now is a primer. This primer is from Classic Makeup USA and it's called Perfect Mattifying Face Primer. It's a long-wearing and antioxidant, SPF 15, so I'll be applying it all over my face. I'll be using this Bobbi Brown foundation brush to blend my primer. After blending, I will let it to sit into my skin for like a few minutes before I apply my foundation. While this is sitting down on my skin, I will do my eyebrow off this camera. So now that the eyebrow is done, I'm going to apply my foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be applying today is Milani foundation, Milani Conceal plus Perfect foundation, 2-in-1. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend it out.
Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a.
So I'm not going to apply concealer today because I don't feel like applying a concealer. So what I'm going to be doing next is applying my face powder all over my face. I want this look to be natural and not cakey or ashy. So I'm going to be using Sleek face powder, Sleek Love face powder. I don't know if you guys can see. Sleek face powder. I'm going to be using my powder brush from Bobbi Brown. After applying my powder, the next thing I'm going to be applying is my bronzing powder. So I'm going to be using xoxo contour palette. I don't know if you guys can see it. xoxo contour palette. That's what I'm going to use to contour. I'm going to use my angle brush from Bobbi Brown as well to contour my face.
Sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find
I'm going to use a mascara to oil my lashes. I'm not going to use eyeshadow in this video because we are looking for a natural look without too much product. So I'm going to be using my mascara to oil out my lashes and I will apply my lipstick. The mascara I'm going to be using is Mega Impact Mascara. So after applying my mascara, I'm going to dust out this powder and apply my lipstick. I'm going to outline my lip and apply my nude lipstick. I'm using this pencil liner. I'm going to apply this nude lipstick. It's rough, it's dirty. I'm going to use that. I'm going to be applying my lip gloss to this lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video have been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I will write in the comment section to reply to your comments. Subscribe to my channel. It's free. Please help your God, help my ministry. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be more than grateful. If you haven't watched my intro video, it's right here. Before I leave you, before I let you go on this channel, I want to drop this message for you. Let's spread love. It's not that difficult to love, even if sometimes people prove difficult to love. Just love them. It's not going to take anything from you. Love them irrespective. At least for your own peace of mind, for the world to be at peace. Let's love live. Let's spread love. Until my next video, stay fabulous, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay elegant always. See you guys till my next video. Bye guys.